Hey guys, it's me again. So today I'm just making this video out of fan that I like fan since 2015 when I was like 7, and his was from that guy from 724. Yeah. Well I think you guys already know that I'm not trying to steal his video. I'm just telling you guys that I like fans as well, including window air conditioners and central air conditioners. Yeah. Yep. This is so interesting to me. That like fans. Yep. Very interesting. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I do like fans since 2015. I was 7. Yeah, it's pretty cool for me. And he was from 2010. Look, let me see, 2010 or 2011. Yep, there it is, 2010. Yeah, it's nice for him. And yeah, I'm gonna make a video of the window air conditioners too. So hold on. There it is. This is the window air conditioner that I was talking about. This is the 8000 B2 LG that like window air strike since 2014. I was 6. Yeah. Yeah, I seen this before in 2010s. Yeah. Hold on, let me turn the volume a little bit so you guys can hear it.
I'm assuming it would run its unit for a certain amount of time.
Um,
Shut it off. I've never had to use that function, and most people know. Here's fan speed 1. Here, it's working out. It just takes a couple seconds for the buttons to respond.
yep. This is the same exact unit that I remember back in 2014 that I seen this before. I mean, it is kind of different to me, but no, it's actually the same thing. So yeah.
Let's get close to it. It's already producing pretty cold air. You're running? And the compressor's on producing cold air. Very icy, I'm not even joking. And it just turned off because the thing's inside is cooling up. And it is, I think it's best to feel it here. Give it another fan speed. Here's fan speed 2. Picking up the space up the pace, but this is only as if it's a fan. There's also these humidify
Oh wait, and by the way, back in 2023, I also tested this AC unit before. After back in 2010s, it was taken out of the wall because it was it was not working properly. It was old. Yeah, I guess I can say that. Yeah.
Save energy, or just run the fan with no air conditioning.
I mean, I'm talking about the mode buttons. This one right there, the mode one buttons. Yeah, this is the one that the button does not work. So like when I press it like more times, like 11 times to 20 times, it actually worked this time. So yeah, I mean it is struggle to work, but it just tried its best to get it to work.
But it works pretty good. I like the sound of it, and I like the. Let me get this temp down so y'all can hear the compressor turn on. That's considerably louder than fan speed 1 and 2. Here's 1, 2. The compressor's still not kicking on because it doesn't think it's cold enough to warrant it turning on. I'll see if it will turn on though, so you can hear it buzz like a normal air conditioner noise.
Exactly.
11 hours.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Maybe this one.
Yep. You see, you see what I told you guys? The mode button does not work at all. Yeah. I'm guessing that it stopped working. I guess so. No wonder. No wonder you can't change the modes. You know, the cool, entry saver, fan, and dry. It's just down cool mode as always. Yeah.
It's kind of weird, these buttons. I don't think I can get it to kick on anymore. It says it's just too cold in the house. Like I said, it's 2. And this is the loudest speed. Like I said, the compressor's not kicked on now because it doesn't think it. So you won't hear that buzzing, but it'll be very similar to this sound on the highest setting. I'll back up a little bit. Oh, turned on. Hear that buzzing? Okay, this is the loudest it will sound, guys. It just kicked on. It's getting cold. Let's see what it sounds like on 1. There you go.
You know, guys, I gotta say about the LG air conditioner. It is pretty quiet on low, cool. When I imagine I'll be using this kind of unit, that's like you have. It'd be so quiet when I put on low, and yeah, with peaceful. Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
It's producing the slow cold air. Smells good too. The unit doesn't smell funky. I know it came from a vacant house. I
And
cooked
the
this
fan,
really good. I really degreased it.
I mean, the fan is very quiet and low. Yeah, that's what I meant.
And that's about it. So how about taking it out? All I'm gonna do now is take it out the window.
So yeah. So that's all about this video about the fans and window air conditioners. Yeah, so I do like fans since 2015 and the LG air conditioner from 2014 and 2023. Yeah. Yeah, I was really lucky that I tested this unit before. And especially that I see this unit too. Yes. Yeah, I'm pretty lucky guy that I'm looking for this fan since the air conditioners, you know? Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching and over and out. Peace.